We have a 2018 Hyundai Elantra, 2016 Hyundai Elantra that was leaking coolant, and it was leaking in these metal pipe connections, the pipe to the hose connection. And what I found on disassembly was that this rubberized or vinyl coating extended all the way down to the tip of these pipes, and the coating had cracked and provided basically a pathway for coolant to leak through between the rubber hose and the metal hose and around the clamp. So it was just leaking in pretty much 2 or 3 different spots. So I was able to go ahead and remove these coolant pipes. I took a razor blade and cut the vinyl coating, and then flaked off all the pieces, and then just took some Scotch-Brite and Scotch-Brite the ends so it was a consistent sealing path. Somebody had put in some worm drive clamps instead of the constant tension clamps, and basically the coating had stuck to some of this and provided, not a good sealing surface. So just go ahead and cleaned all that out and clean these off, and got some new constant tension clamps. I'm going to pressure test these, make sure these hoses aren't leaking. If they are, I may replace 1 or 2 of them. But before we get too further involved with the assembly, just to show you these coolant pipes sit way down under there, and basically there's a 12 mil here and a 12 mil here, and then this is a wire harness clip. Basically you can see that little shiny spot at the tip of my finger. That's the 12 mil that's right here. You can slip these hoses out without really removing anything, but basically I just pushed them back and kind of twisted them back and was able to pull them out. There seemed to be a little bit of resistance, maybe here and here. There's like a little rubber hose, the little coolant feed hose or something to the throttle body, but that seemed to kind of rub on the tip here a little bit. But I was kind of able to just push it back past there and remove these, and then that way I was able to clean up the entire surface here. And then back here there's a coolant connection here and coolant connection there, and then I just took Scotch-Brite and some sandpaper and sanded those, and I removed the battery so I could get to this one right here, but just took some sandpaper and cleaned those up, and that should eliminate the leaks. And just want to show this because this may become more of a common issue, and it didn't look like these were going to come out too easily at first, but if you're just kind of gentle and let it tell you how to move it, it comes out, and you don't really have to remove much of anything. So I hope that helps you guys, and any questions, put them in the comments.